Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can use Imo. So Imo is very good application for audio and video calling, and you can also send any text message, audio message, and also send any pictures, videos, any files on the Imo. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, then please subscribe it. Firstly, open the Play Store and write here Imo and then install it and open it. After that, click on allow for notification, click on allow, and then write here your contact number. After writing the contact number, click on OK, then again click on OK, and then click on allow. After creating the account, you can see the contact number, and when you will click it, then if you will click on it, audio call will start, and you can see video icon. If you will click on it, then video call will start, and at the bottom you can send text message. After writing text message, then click on these options, and if you want to send any videos or pictures, you can select it, click on all options, and you can send any pictures and video by clicking on that video or pictures. So then click on done options and again click on send. In this way you can send pictures and video, and then you can see this icon. If you will click on it, then audio message will be recorded. So in this way you can send audio message, text message, or any picture or video, or can audio or video call. So if I will go back, and here you can see a camera icon. If you will click on it, you can add your story, and your story will be appear here, and your friend story will be appears there. So if you will click on this, and you can see your all contact history. So here you can also see new contact. If you want to add new contact, then you can add here, and if you want to call history, you can select it, and here you can see your call history. So if you want to group chat, then click on it and select the contact number. After that, click on OK options, and in this way group chat will be started and group will be created. So guys, if you will click on this profile icon, you can see that this is my profile icon. If I will click on it, I can change my profile icon after clicking on this. So click on OK. So in this way you can change your profile pictures. So guys, in this way you can use it and enjoy the Imo. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.